Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another clothing haul. So today's haul is a denim haul from SHEIN, and I'm super excited to be bringing this one to you guys because I don't typically do a whole lot of denim with SHEIN, but I definitely do like the denim that I tried today. So I'm going to tell you the pros and cons to everything that I tried, and all the links and prices will be down below, and the sizes as well, because sometimes denim can be like different sizes. So today's haul, I am showing you some styling options and giving you some thoughts on how you can put these looks together. This first look is a pair of fringe shorts with a little cuff on the side, not cuff, a little split on the side. I did pair them with a top from SHEIN that ties in a bow in the front, and a pair of Steve Madden furry sandals along with my YSL bag. I thought the YSL bag was perfect with this look because it still stays casual but gives me a little bit of fancy that I really love. So the next outfit is also fully from SHEIN. The top is a part of a 4-pack that comes with 4 different colors of tops. I just tied it in a knot. And then the jeans are super cute. For me, they were too short. I'm 5'7.5". I like to say 5'8", but I'm 5'7.5", and they don't even come down to probably around my ankle, but I like for my jeans to come to my foot and cover the top part of my sandals. And that didn't happen with these. I think these jeans are super cute and fit well, but they're not long enough. So this next outfit I absolutely adore. I've worn this outfit several times and I just absolutely love this look. I used the jeans from SHEIN as well as the green blazer, which was in another haul from SHEIN. Love this look. I paired it with my Louis Vuitton Speedy in size 20 and my Steve Madden I can't remember the name, Vala heels, and I absolutely love this. And the crop top that I'm wearing is actually a swimsuit top from Matte Collection. I buy all the swimsuits in all the colors in this particular bathing suit because I love wearing the swimsuit top as a crop top. It gives me a lot of good support and it has a lot of cute colors. So these jeans, this is actually the second time I've purchased these jeans. The first time I purchased them a little bit too small, and when I closed the chains, they actually broke. So this time I ordered these jeans in a size larger. I love the fit, I love the length, and I love that I had enough space in the chains and I didn't feel like they were about to break. I paired this with my YSL bag with the chains showing, and my Savage Fenty bra with a fringe, and I absolutely love this look. This denim dress actually didn't fit the way I thought it would. I wasn't super crazy about it. I feel like the dark denim is a little too dark. I would have liked it if it was a little lighter. But I mean, it's cute. I just feel like it didn't have enough support. I should have put on a strapless bra with it, but I thought that the cups were actual cups, but they're not. They're just there for show. They're not going to give you any support. Although now looking at it, I guess it is kind of flattering. It looks cute on, but it just wasn't what I was expecting. So this next look is a fave of mine. Again, the jeans are too short. I found that a lot of the jeans were too short in this haul. I'm not sure if I should have sized up or I just need to find longer jeans. I think SHEIN does sell length tall, so I may have to go with that next time. But I do like this look. I paired it with my SHEIN blazer. It's a tweed orangey tomato shade blazer, and I absolutely love this blazer. I do like how the jeans look. I just wish they were longer. I paired it with my Kate Spade bag and my Michael Kors Gladiator sandals. This next look is a bodysuit. I did hem the sides so that it could be a little more fitted to my shape. I absolutely love this bodysuit, and I didn't think I would go up for like a full denim bodysuit, but I wanted to try it because I really loved the cutouts and the open back. I absolutely love this bodysuit. I've worn it twice already, and it's definitely about to be a staple for me for the spring. It's very lightweight with all the cutouts, and the denim is very stretchy. So I absolutely love this. I paired it with my YSL bag and my Ego sandals, and I just am loving the look. If you guys are liking the hair is available on my website. This is a new arrival to my website, so I'll leave a link down below, GLEEmade.com, to this wig if you want to grab it. So these jeans are super duper cute. I absolutely love them, and I love the crop top. I don't think that I would actually style these together, but I did want to show them in the haul. The bag that I'm wearing is from Soul Society, and the shoes are Steve Madden in color Citron, and I absolutely love these. These are a dupe for the Bottega Veneta sandals that are braided like this. These are a great dupe, you guys. They're like $120, whereas the Bottega ones are like $1,000. This last piece is, both pieces are from SHEIN. The top is super cute and fit great. I'll definitely be rocking that. But the jeans, again, too short. I wasn't crazy about these either. I like how they fit, but I don't like how long they are. I paired it again with my Kate Spade bag and my Michael Kors slides. Thank you guys so much for watching this haul. Let me know what your favorite look was. Make sure you guys are giving this video a big thumbs up and you're sharing it. Share this video with a friend. Share it with a clothing haul lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.